Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, decrement a number with JavaScript. You can easily decrement or decrease a variable by 1 with the minus minus or hyphen hyphen operator. I minus minus will result in a negative means decrease of value of variable by 1. I minus minus is equivalent of I equal to I minus 1. Note that the entire line becomes I minus minus, eliminating the need for equal sign. So the task for this challenge, change the code to use minus minus operator on myvar. So in this case, myvar equal to minus 1 should be myvar minus minus. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.